Yes, Lord. Check them twins out. Man. Nick, you fucked them up, bruh. Yes, sir. Now y'all can see them bitches. Yes, sir. Look at them twins. Come on back out, son. Got something for your ass. Yes, Lord. Shit. And that's my signature style. Thank you, Nick. I appreciate you very much, big bro. Shit. This bitch is nasty. The true boys I see. Yes, sir. Now that is nasty. Ghosted skulls in the top. Bruh. Nick, look at that. There's even a skull back here. That's crazy. Nasty, bruh. Shit. He clean on the inside. Got the 800 kV. Bobby Wayne motor. Max 5 ESC. Got the skulls up front there. Made by Custom RC Paint, man. Y'all check them out. Facebook and Instagram. My brother dope. Oh, we got his twin in the house. Yeah, we got his twin. We got like two other twins. Two other twins coming. Put the body on right. There we go. There we go. Go get his twin right quick.